Hey YouTube, I'm gonna be singing Thinking About You, and I'm not gonna be singing the whole song. I'm just gonna be singing the part that I mastered with my voice. So I hope you guys like it. And oh yeah, by the way, this is my new channel. So rate, comment, and subscribe, and request me for more videos, all types of videos. So here it goes. Oh, a tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they fall. When I'm thinking about you, ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You just don't know. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do ya, or do you not think